Brief overview of DAView protocol that is used in microCAN devices. So basically what is the device firmware upgrade? So DAView protocol, it's part of USB specification, and it handles the software updates. All the details about the DAView protocol can be found directly on the USB site. So you have here very detailed explanation of how this protocol works. But to use this protocol, it's quite easy, and you do not need to know all this. So all the microcontrollers that are used in USB to CAN or USB to LIN converter are based on STM microcontrollers, and they have an embedded capability of using this USB DAView protocol for software update. And basically all these microcontrollers, or most of the microcontrollers from ST have the bootloader, the USB bootloader embedded in their flash, and it is always there, so you cannot erase it, and you can always use this to upload the software. And this document details all the possible ways how you can enter the bootloader, and it is up to the developer of the application what way is enabled. And in microCAN devices, to go to the bootloader in the Windows firmware, you need to type boot command in virtual COM, via the virtual COM. So you need to use any kind of terminal software. Here is, for example, the Brace terminal, and you just type boot and click send, and goes to the bootloader. The device in the bootloader state is discovered in Windows Device Manager as here. So you have here STM32 bootloader, and when the device is in this state, you can use software from ST to upload new firmware onto the device. So here you can see that it is discovered in the DAView mode, and now I can just select the firmware file, and click verify and run after programming. Start programming, and the flash is updated with the software. Now the device is discovered as virtual COM port. Here you can see on the COM3, and I can connect it once again. Yeah, I will check the firmware version using v command, and then type boot, and it should be once again in DAView mode, so I can now upload the software once again. The same procedure can be done also on Linux machine, but using different tools. To upload new software in the Linux, you need to use DAView util software.
Okay, so currently I'm logged into my Linux machine on Ubuntu, I have USB to CAN converter connected to my PC. It's currently in DAView mode. To check if the device is discovered in this mode, just type DAView util -L with the root privileges, and now here you can see that there is one device and it has option bytes and internal flash. Okay, to upload the software, you need to use the command like this, dfu utils with the file specified, and here at the end, here is the address for the of the device, and here is what kind of interface it should use. Yeah, and when and the address of the flash in the device. And the last thing here, leave, means that it after the firmware upload it should leave the DFU mode and start the application. And here you need to after the -d you need to specify the path for the hex file. So my is in downloads, and I will upload now the GS USB firmware, and the firmware can be found in the Microcon Devices website. If you go to the GitHub repository, or from here you can download it from the GitHub. It is in this repository. Here's the virtual.com software, and here's the GS USB. And here in the release tab you can download the newest release binary file. Okay, I missed the sudo, and now it's uploading the binary. And if the device started correctly, then it should not be visible here. And as you can see, it's different, because this is the interface for switching into the bootloader, and now the device should be visible as a CAN interface. I will check it with init function. So I will just set the CAN interface to see if the upload went correctly. Now we have the new firmware uploaded, yeah. And to go into the bootloader mode once again from this firmware, you need to type something like this, and this will trigger the DFU mode once again. So now it's visible, and the device should be able to make the upload. In case you will use the virtual COM port, then you need to just send the boot command. You can do it like in the script using echo command. So typing this to the device will trigger the bootloader.